I'm looking at this gill, the distance from here to here, and from here to here, it's a little more to the right. So let's try to get that. And the color here in the yellow area, it's right about here. There's the gill. Let's do this eye right about there. Something like that. The mouth is going to open here. Okay. And let's get this gill here. I don't like the fin here or whatever to point so much off. I don't want it to touch the edge really, because it leaves the eye off the page. It's called a tangent. I don't really want that. So this guy comes down almost like a bird. These guys come down here. Something like this. And that back one, it's hard to see. It's in a shadow. It is there. And it may not show very much in the painting either, but I will have it there. So something like this. And then this lower one comes in. This goes something like that. That's nice. That's going to be a nice shape. The color changes in the fish I can do with a brush. There's something to think about with a subject matter like this. It's all soft edges, except for the outside. So that's going to be a wet into wet thing to get that softness with the transition from the pinks and purples and oranges and greens and blues and all the color that's in here. This is going to be a lot of fun.